how to transfer dogs from Bitget to Binance account. Now first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account and tap on assets. Now select the spot from the top bar and click on withdraw. And now in the search bar type dogs like that. So after you find your token, now just click on it. Now click on on-chain withdrawal. And now first of all, set the network as a ton because there is only one. Now to get the withdrawal address, now go and open your Binance. Now, after you open the Binance account, to get your withdrawal address of dogs, what you need to do, just by clicking on assets. Now, select the spot from the top bar and click on deposit. And now after that, what you need to do, in the search bar, search for dogs like that. Now after you find it, now just click on it. And as you can see, click on the open network. And now you can copy the withdrawal address from here and go back to your Bitget app and just paste it here. And now go back to Binance to copy the memo address. So after you copy it, now go back to your Bitget and paste it here. And after that, set the amount that you want to transfer. And now click on withdraw. And after a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive the dogs from your Bitget to Binance account. So this is how to transfer dogs from Bitget to Binance account. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.